Now this is how you can share a group of contacts on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you can go to your contacts application and there seemingly isn't any way to select them, right? Because when you would have the ability to select a few of them, you would have the ability to share. So there should be the select button, but there isn't. So we have to use the gesture approach to select multiple contacts, right? So you can use the two-finger swipe like that, where you swipe and select as many contacts as you want, right? And then you hold down on any of them. It puts them together like this. So you can see that I have like 6 or 5, however many contacts put it together, and I can share them all like this. So when I click on share, I get to decide exactly what I'm sharing, if it's just the first name or mobile, includes email and so on. But I can go like this and basically share that contact information of multiple different people. So if you have a group of people you want to share, that is how you could basically do this. So yeah, if you, for example, some people might think that, I can only select those which go in order, but that's not really the case, because you can also create the list. If you go to the left panel, you can create a new list and you can temporarily name it the iCloud sharing or whatever. And then you move the contacts you want to share to that list, which is going to allow you to select them very easily. So that's something which you can do as well if you don't feel like you can share the contacts that you want. But I hope that I was able to show you how it works. Obviously, I wish that there was the select button, but there isn't. So if there is anything that is going to change in the future, I'll definitely update you about it. But for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later.